Hey guys, so we're back at it again with another nail tutorial. This is a simple Barbie nail tutorial, and those are all the nail polishes I will be using. I believe most of the polishes are from Beetles, I believe, and from a different brand that will be in the description bar below. So here I'm just showing you guys the different colors that I might use on my nails. I love these colors because they're so vibrant and they match with the Barbie theme. Hello. Okay guys, I already picked out my sizes for my nails, and I will be using the Apress gel set to put these nails on. And first I will be going in with the dehydrator, then the primer, and then the gel. I just want to add, before you guys apply these nail tips or cover tips to your nails, remember to always edge the inside of the nail because it does make it last longer. 2 to 3 weeks, it makes it last longer. It makes a difference. So always remember to edge the inside of the nail. And these are the nails shaped, filed, and buff. I didn't even shape it that much, honestly, because they didn't really need to be shaped. I just squared out the end of the nail a little bit, but that's it. And now we will be adding our base coat. The base coat makes a difference. I don't know who tell you different, but guys, use a base coat before you add your nail polish on top. Okay, so this is just me doing my thumb because I was trying to do my thumb for a YouTube short, so that's why I'm trying to go all slow. But yeah. So this is where I go in now with the nail polish. Sorry that it wasn't in the frame, but this is where I go in with the nice pink vibrant nail polish. And I really struggled a little bit just deciding how I wanted to place these different pinks on my nails. So I wanted to do something bright and then maybe like a settled pink, like a pastel pink after this. But I don't know, I think these nails turned out perfectly fine. They were definitely Barbie themed, okay? And I did think about going in with the top glossy coat, But I was like, nah, let's try something different. Let's try a matte top coat because I've never done any matte nails before. So this is what I tried and I loved it. It turned out to be the perfect Barbie matte color nails, okay? And these are the finished Barbie pink theme nails. I did go ahead and add some cuticle oils to my nails, and yeah, this is a finished product. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and like the video, and turn your notification buttons on so you can see when I get another upload. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.